Okay, everybody, we're back with part 2 of this demo, and we're going to play around with this table here a little bit. Okay, now if we look at the finished version over here, you can see that the border of this table has been modified. We've chosen one particular cell in here also that we want highlighted, and it also has a different border. We've changed the color of the font somewhere. It looks like we've centered these across here. So the first thing we're going to worry about here is this title. All right, utility summary for Memo 101. All right, now to insert a row in a chart, you select a row and then right click, and it can give you an insert option of inserting rows above or below. Now I want this one above. Now it's got 5 cells in it, I think, across, just like the others. We'll take care of that in a minute. But I'm just going to go ahead and type my text in here. Summary for Mini Mall 101. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge these cells. Now, I can probably do this with a right click, and there it is. Merge cells. Make sure they're highlighted first. Merge them. There, it's all one cell now. Okay. And the only thing left to do with this now is change the font, center it a little bit. Alright, so I'll highlight it, center it, change the font. Let's make it larger. Oh gosh, what's going to make it pretty? I really can't. I can't make up my mind when I get to stuff like this. Arial black. I'll take that. We'll change the font, or make it one of these pretty ones right here. I like that. All right. Now, everything here. Let's say I want to center all this. Q1, Q2, Q3 in total. So let's do that. Highlight those. Center them. Now they're centered over their headings. Let's make this larger. Let's see if the table will adjust. It sure does. Makes it big enough to fit. Now let's change the border. Again, don't underestimate the right click in any of the Microsoft products. Okay, because here we have borders and shading. I'm going to select that. Excuse me. I'm going to take a different border. Let's try that one. I can change the color of the border to, let's say, a dark red. I can change the width to whatever I want, 2 1/4 points, and click OK. There we go. It's starting to look pretty different now. And another direction here is, you'll notice that this is the largest value in the table. This is a utility summary, so this is the value in Q1. Electric costs more than anything else. Okay, so I want to do something special with that. I want to give it a highlight. Well, let's just go ahead and give it a yellow highlight. Change the color of the font maybe to red. And by the way, you can also change the color in the cell. So let me go ahead and highlight this cell. I want to put a different border around this cell only. So I'm going to highlight that cell, do a right click, borders and shading. My borders are set to be the same as the other borders in the table, but I'm going to change it now. I don't like that one. I'll take that one. A big juicy red color. It's 3-point width. Let's see if this ruins it. 6-point might be kind of big. Oh, that looks all right. And let's change the shading in the cell as well. Right now it's clear with no color. Let's give it a color like, I don't know. I'm not very good with colors. obviously. Look at that. Yuck. Anyway, so there's a difference between highlighting the text and putting shading in a cell. Two different things. Now I happen to have both here. All right. Now, we've done pretty much what I want to do with that table. So I think we'll save the rest for the next video. We're going to put something at the top of the table, a nice title for it, Memo, and we're going to put a chart in the document as well. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next